And what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back in that video, and today we're going to show you how to clean your computer, your dirty computer with full of dust. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified of next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Hit the like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. And check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And here we go. And today we're looking at the air compressor from Meco. Basically, this is the air duster that you can use so that you can take out all the dust on your old computer on the fans. As you already know, you want to keep your computer dust free so that you can keep running and the highest performance that your computer could do. So today we're going to show you how to do that with this. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Let's see how well this will do today as well as we open this up and basically clean out our old computer. So here inside you will get the air duster right here. Pretty hefty device, pretty good right there. It also comes with a lot of attachments such as this right there. It also has the little nozzle right there, it's pretty good. Boom. Another thing that it comes with is the brush. Little brush right there. It's pretty good. It also has different tips that you can choose from. There you go. It's pretty good. It has a long tip right here. It's pretty good. And then one more. There you go. Inside is the instruction manual. Right there, blow duster. And everything that's in it. Let's put that on the side for now. And let's test this out. Here we go. So as you can see right now, this is the old rig right here. Super dusty. We're just gonna clean it out today. Using the Meco Verde dust removal. Let's try it out. See how well it works. So there you go. Super dusty, like I said earlier. So all we'll use is the Meco Verde right there. Just gonna plug this in, and let's test out how powerful this is. There we go, and it's all powered up now. Here, as you can see, there's three settings. There's two settings, 1 and 2 right there. So 2 and 1. Test out 1. Let's do 2. As you can see, it's doing really well. There's so much dust here now, but it's amazing how it's getting all the dust. Let's keep going. Let's try out different tips. Let's try out one of the tips here, right here. Pretty much you just attach it like that and it locks in. So let's try that out. Good thing about this is you'll be able to use that on different corners. As you can see there, like that. It'll fit in many different spots on your computer. There you go, that's pretty good. Now let's test out a different tip. Take that out, all you need to do is just do that. It'll come off. Let's do a different tip right there, like that. Now with this, you'll be able to go through even more spots. There you go, that's pretty good. Let's test out a different nozzle here. There you go. Skinnier tip right there. As you could see right here, there's a lot of dust, right? We can take that out and then took the time to take out the front as well of the PC. We're gonna clean this out right here with the Meco right there, and we're gonna clean this out as well. So what we'll do first is grab one of these, and then we'll do the long tip right there, and then all you need to do is good to go right there. Now let's do this side. That's how fast that is, that it's turning on the light. Actually, it's pretty cool. Take the stop part out now. Let's clean this out. Now let's take off the back part. Oh, it's a lot of dust. Wear a mask when you're doing this, I guess. Let's take that out. Let's blow this some more. And there you go. Now there are different attachments that comes with this, which is the brush. Basically you would use one of these and then you would just attach this on top of that, and you'll be able to do that. This one, you take one of these and then you would just attach one of these little tips so that you can pump an airbed with this. Maybe different nozzles as well, different tips right there. You would just use this. It's a bit tight, so it'll fit like that. There you go, and just like that, and then you would attach this to the Meco Eleverde. There you go. Another thing I didn't mention earlier is this has a 600 watt power, so it is very powerful as shown on the video. So that's really good that there's a lot of options with how you could use this around your house to clean your computer. Also different dust that you can't reach. You'll be able to use the Meco Eleverde dust removal with all those functions. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to show you how great this dust removal would be. I used to use the spray cans, and they don't have much power, and with this you will have all the power that you need to get rid of the dust around your home. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you can go ahead and do that down below. Hit the notification bell as well, and press all so that you can be notified of the next videos to come. Make sure to hit the like button so we can beat the YouTube algorithm. Hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.